rapidly pinpoint and restore faulty devices using intuitive network topology and digital maps. With zero config replacement and universal port connectivity, you can resolve complex issues in minutes, minimizing downtime and simplifying on-site maintenance. Quickly locate faulty devices using full network topology and digital floor plans. With zero config replacement and blind port plugging, restore services in minutes. When a routine scan or manual report flags an issue, view the fault directly within the network topology. The map provides an intuitive visual of the affected device and its specific fault details. In the digital floor plan, you can pinpoint the physical location by searching for the device's name, SN, or MAC address. Once located, access device details for a comprehensive view of the failure. To dive deeper, analyze device health, port status, and real-time alerts to streamline troubleshooting. When a hardware swap is required, our system supports zero config replacement and blind port plugging for seamless restoration. After maintenance personnel arrive on-site guided by the digital map, they can achieve plug and play via the zero config replacement feature. The original device's full configuration is automatically synchronized, achieving true plug and play. Additionally, with blind port plugging, there's no need to manually verify port sequences. Any port will work. The system automatically matches terminals with their original VLAN configurations for seamless service migration. This ensures rapid network device fault recovery, allowing even non-expert maintenance personnel to complete the operation with ease.